we're seeing, and I'm sure we'll bring it up later on in the conversation, that a lot of developing nations are, I'm going to use the word leapfrogging in terms of kind of exciting developments when it comes to payments. But I know in Europe as well, there's some really exciting ones too. Could you maybe tell our viewers a bit more about some of the ones that have caught your eye?
Yeah, so I think earlier today I was in a session discussing UPI and what you see in India, and I mentioned that last year I spoke about PIG, so you're right, we are focused on these big, massive economies, and new payment methods have really overtook us all by surprise, if you want. But Europe has actually been left behind in a way in terms of the attention rather than the advancements in payment methods. So you have quite a lot of different payment methods you see evolving in specific countries that have really overtook a big chunk of the share of the market. We all talk about open banking, and there's a concept of Europe being one continent, therefore there's going to be one payment solution for all.
Yes, but it's very federated in a way, isn't it?
Yes, and the fragmentation there is actually quite astonishing. So every country seems to have its own payment method. We all know about Ideal and Bank Contact, for Belgium and Netherlands, but actually over the last few years we've seen Blick in Poland, Twint in Switzerland, everywhere in Portugal. So many different payment methods have really evolved in domestic markets in Europe that if you're a PSP or if you're a merchant and you want to access those markets, you really can't ignore.